gonna tell you all a story about a Upper Valley widow wife who had a teenage daughter who attended Upper Valley Junior High. Well, one day the little girl didn't even stop to play. Said, hey mom, I got a note here from the Upper Valley PTA. Well, the note said, Mrs. Thompson, you're wearing your dress is way too high. And it's been reported you've been drinking and running around with men and going wild. And we don't believe you ought to be bringing up your little girl this way. And it was signed by the Secretary, Upper Valley PTA.